EPC in affiliate marketing means earnings per click. It is an average of what you make every single time someone clicks on one of your affiliate links. Hi, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and what you see on the screen here is an affiliate promotion that I ran for a health product. And you'll notice on this promotion, I sent 5,434 unique visitors, which amounted to close to $4,000 in commissions. Averaged out, this is an EPC of 74 cents per click. So where do these clicks come from, you might be asking? So these are all derived or driven from the properties that you create in your daily activities. So this could be your YouTube channel, this could be your affiliate blogs, your paid advertising sources, any places where you can get eyeballs on a particular offer. And these EPCs can range anywhere from 1 penny, and I've seen personally EPCs up to $3, depending on the offer and the process that you send your visitor through. Now, just a general rule of thumb is that an EPC under 50 cents per click means that there's something off with the offer. So it's either you're doing a half-ass job promoting the product, so this is a problem with you. Number two, your targeting is off, or the offer itself that you're trying to promote just doesn't convert well. There are, of course, exceptions to the rule. Like, for example, if you are making as an affiliate 20 cents per click and you are paying 10 cents per click, you're just gonna do that all day because you're easily doubling your money. But the general rule of thumb for me is that anything under 50 cents per click, there's usually something off with the process. So let's dissect this and explain how to improve it. Now, EPC can generally be improved with increased marketing efforts. So here you see on the screen here is what I started with. And you'll see here over a 4-month period, I was actually able to increase the EPC from 74 cents here to $1.50 per click, resulting in over $10,000 in affiliate commissions, which was pure profit because I don't really pay any money for this traffic. It's all driven by free YouTube videos. So this is proof that you can indeed increase your EPC. This is the same exact offer with the same traffic source. The only difference is that I worked on increasing my marketing pitch or improving the marketing itself. So this is proof positive that it is something that you can manipulate as a skilled marketer. So maybe at some point I might release a program on this. I don't know, I'm not sure about that. So comment below if you're interested in something like this. Maybe I'll put something more official together. This leads me to my next point. This is critically important, so pay very precise attention. In general, as your marketing becomes more engaging and more entertaining, and the more time that someone commits to that piece of material, the better off your EPC becomes. That's because the more micro commitments or the more commitments that someone makes to the message, the more likely become to buy the product that you are actually promoting. And I know this is kind of sounding vague, so let me actually give you an example, a live example to really flesh out this idea. So what you see on the screen here is just the Yahoo news page. And as we scroll down the news here, we can see that there's an ad. So this is an ad, Germans figure out how new technology to increase water pressure 15x without using energy. It's a pretty intriguing ad. It just catches your attention. Like, it's very clickbait-y, like kind of image here. You got like 10 nozzles. That's pretty cool. So when we click it, we're going to end up on your traditional review blog style promotion. This is something that I taught in my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system. Still immensely effective strategy today. Most people running paid ads to like direct sales type offer here are not collecting leads. They're basically doing this. So we can see here, we land on the ad, we have a demo of the product, and you'll notice that we have links embedded. And I'm looking at this and there's so many little things they can improve here. This is probably an expert marketer, so they know what they're doing, but I do see a lot of improvements that could be made here. Like, there is no call to action. We can see here though, like, this is the affiliate link. If you look at the bottom left, it says salespage.php AffID, and there's the affiliate ID. So this is an affiliate offer. If we click it, we're gonna go to what's most likely some form of e-com, and here it is. Let's buy it. Check out the jet nozzle. This is probably like a $4 product, probably selling for like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, okay? And that is the process. So the point I'm trying to make here is as the person takes these steps, so step one, the click. Step two, they're reading the review. This is warming up the visitor, therefore increasing the EPC. And by the time they land here, this is the affiliate link. This is where the EPC is actually calculated. So once the visitor clicks this link, boom, we land on the affiliate page. And this is when the actual EPC is counted, when the sale is created. It's the average of how much you make per each one of these clicks. In fact, maybe in an upcoming video, I'm going to dissect this because I like the concept of this. So maybe keep an eye out for that. In an upcoming video, we might actually dissect how this process works. So the general point here is that the more you step the user along a specific process with a bridge page, generally the better off you're going to be, the more money you're going to make. Now let's take a look at the actual targeting, who your marketing message is going out to. So the second pillar here of increasing your EPC is actually making your marketing more specific to a person, someone looking for a specific problem or solution to that problem. So on the screen here, you see the keywords skin tag and skin tag removal. These are these little tags you get based off of like skin friction. They just build up and create these little skin niblets that hang off. And you can see here that this keyword gets about 100,000 searches per month with a cost per click of about 26 to 37 cents. Let's just average it out and say it's 30 cents per click of what you have to pay as an advertiser to get a click. Okay. Now, if you were to make this more specific and target someone looking for skin tag removal for dogs or skin tags on dogs, we've now just defined this audience to a more specific type of person. And you'll notice how the cost per click is now roughly $2 per click. That's because as it becomes more specific, the cost per advertising goes up because it's more profitable in the sense that the more specific you make your offer, the easier it is to convert. So this is a little bit confusing, I'm sure, but the cost per click goes up because advertisers, aka you, the affiliate, can pay more money for that advertising, and that's why we see the increase. So by targeting, we can actually make more money because it's more specific. Now, I'm not sure if I explained that properly, so comment below if you'd like me to clarify that. I might be able to reword this differently if you need me to explain this in a different way. The general message I'm trying to convey here is that, especially in regards to a beginner, and if you're not really doing this yet or you're considering doing this, is to typically you want to avoid going broad. The more specific and the more targeted that you can be, the better off that you are going to be as far as converting and just in general having an easier time making this work for you. Now, the third culprit of a low EPC is that the market itself just sucks. There are markets that just don't have buyer intent, like basket weaving on acid. Maybe there are some weirdos out there that like this topic, but it doesn't really have that buyer-driven kind of rabid audience about it. Like things like make money online, health, dating, because these are like real problems, specific health conditions. Like I've made a lot of money with natural health remedies as an affiliate. Because you're solving a real problem, the markets tend to be better. But if it's something vague where there's not a lot of buyers or there's not money changing hands, there are plenty of markets like this online. Your EPC just isn't going to be there. It doesn't mean you can't make money at it, but I usually steer people away from these type of markets. So as long as you stick within like health, relationships, money, you're usually going to do pretty well as an affiliate or any type of selling in these type of products. So you just saw the 3 ways that you can improve your EPC. If you want to take this further, I have a video that's going to pop up on screen here called I wasn't able to make my first $100,000 as an affiliate until I changed this. You should click this link right now and watch this video. There's nothing that's going to be selling. I'm not selling you nothing in this video. It's pure value. I think that you will benefit greatly from it. Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, over and out. It's nap time.